Hey, I'm Charlie. Thanks for watching today. We have not only one, but two very rare YZ250s with us today. Blessed to have these. One is Wil Hahn's. He had built this for himself personally. Took him a while to get all the right parts. While he was with Star Yamaha team, they were able to hook him up with a lot of unique one-off parts that you just can't get. And then we also have Chad Reed's 2017 practice bike that I bought from him probably a year and a half, 2 years ago. And we'll go through both bikes and you can see the differences of both, since Chad's is pretty much stock except for some minor things that he's done. Start off with Wil's. By the way, Wil had, I think, maybe Vital MX did a video on this bike with Wil. He has only ridden it for that video and that's it. So very low hours on the bike, maybe 4 hours, 6 hours max. And just blessed that I was able to buy it from him. Some things about the bike. He put a Wossner piston in it, V-force reeds. It's a 30-to-1 mix ratio with, I think, MRX fuel. He got from Star Racing Yamaha the A-kit forks and shock. So those are super rare. And also these really unique, I think they're called airs, but the triple clamps. He did different rotors, all carbon tank, subframe, and those are from CRM in Italy. Lightspeed did the carbon front rotor guards, fork guards. What else did he do on this? FMF full exhaust. I also have a tie exhaust coming as well from Wil. Let's see here. They also did, which is super unique, they replaced the rear suspension swing arm to the new model. If you note, this style of swing arm and the shape here and on the 2017 are very different. And so they also switched the linkage and rear wheel. So I guess it just runs a lot better with doing that setup. And I guess that's maybe pretty common from what they said, but runs the newer A-kit because of that as well. And then Chad's bike, I know Chad did the suspension on it. I think he had other wheels on it originally, and he had a larger front rotor that he kept. The motor's been worked, not crazy. Obviously, he powder coated the frame. And that's about it. You'll see some little trick parts on it, not much, but overall, pretty stock when you look at it. But I have another one of Chad's bikes. This one's just cool to have. I haven't ridden it, and I probably won't because it's in really clean shape. Since Wil has ridden this, I'm definitely gonna take this out. We'll do a video on it. Just one track day, and then I'll clean it, soup to nuts, make sure it looks perfect again, and put it in the collection. Wil's a lot lighter than I am and shorter, so you can see a little bit lower profile bars and everything. But I'm just gonna ride as it is and see how it feels. It's too cool of a bike not to ride. You know, they have so many unique things that you could go on and on about the bike. Like I didn't even touch on like the titanium bolts, titanium hubs, even the foot peg mounts, the brackets are titanium, which is pretty cool. Does have recluse clutch in it, not an auto clutch. But yeah, I'm super blessed to have that bike. I'm really excited to ride it. I'm a big two-stroke guy, so I'm just super pumped to see. I'm gonna try and just ride it once and that's it, so we'll see. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Any questions, comment below, and subscribe and see what's next.